A major indicator of healthy skin is a natural glow. But factors like stressful lifestyles, hectic work schedules, inadequate sleep, lack of nutritional diet, pollution, harmful sun rays, UVA, UVB, excessive smoking, and drinking alcohol can make your skin dull and dry. 1. All of these are part and parcel of your life, and you cannot run away from them. However, you can surely prevent them. While you cannot hold on to your age, you can surely slow down the loss of glow and radiance from your skin. This is where homemade beauty recipes and simple preventive tips come in handy, as they are a natural and much simpler alternative to cosmetic products. We have broken down these solutions to keep your skin glowing into home remedies and diet that you need to follow. Read on to know more. Note, these remedies and tips cannot make your skin glow overnight. You need to follow the tips and use the remedies in the recommended quantity over a due course to see significant results. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It eliminates the harmful free radicals that are damaging the skin. It also enhances collagen production and keeps your skin supple and glowing. 2. Gram flour gently cleanses the skin to make it clean and bright. 1/2–1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 4 tablespoons gram flour, also called chickpea flour, milk or water. What you have to do: mix the turmeric powder with the gram flour. Add enough milk or water to this to form a paste. Apply this paste on your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with plain water. How often you should do this? Do this 1 to 2 times a week. Coconut oil. This remedy works best for dry and dull skin. Coconut oil locks the moisture in the skin and also nourishes it with essential fatty acids. It also protects your skin from UV radiation and enhances skin barrier function. 3. All these factors can make your skin glow. You will need virgin coconut oil. What you have to do: warm up the oil slightly and apply it to the face and neck. Massage for a few minutes in gentle circular motions. Leave the oil on overnight. You can add some sugar to the oil and use it as a scrub to exfoliate your skin once or twice a week. How often you should do this? Use coconut oil every night before going to bed. Aloe vera gel has nourishing and healing properties that rejuvenate the skin to give it a natural glow. 4. You will need 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, a pinch of turmeric, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon milk. What you have to do: mix all the ingredients. Apply the mixture to the face and neck evenly. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. How often you should do this? Apply this face pack 1 to 2 times a week. 4. Baking soda. Baking soda exfoliates dead skin cells and neutralizes the skin's pH. It also has antibacterial properties that can help prevent infection. 5. You will need 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon honey. What you have to do: mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Apply the mixture on damp face and neck using circular motions. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Moisturize as usual. How often you should do this? Apply this face pack once a week. Note, baking soda may irritate your skin. Hence, do a patch test before proceeding with this remedy. 5. Lemon contains vitamin C that bleaches and removes tan, making your skin appear brighter and radiant. 6. The sugar granules provide an exfoliating effect to help to get rid of dead cells. You will need 2 teaspoons lemon juice, 2 teaspoons sugar. What you have to do: mix the ingredients and apply the mixture on your face. Scrub in a circular motion and leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse off with warm water to reveal glowing skin. How often you should do this? Do this 2 times a week. Note, lemon juice may make your skin photosensitive. Please apply sunscreen before stepping out. 6. Papaya. Ripe papaya contains papain, an enzyme that acts as a mild exfoliator. 7. This gently removes the top layer of dead cells on the face and makes your skin radiant and younger looking. Fuller's Earth cleanses the pores of oils and grime, tones the skin, and improves the complexion. 8. Honey is a natural moisturizer and hydrates the skin. 9. It also reduces the blemishes on the skin. This pack acts as a skin-firming and anti-aging face pack. You will need a few pieces of ripe papaya, 1 teaspoon Fuller's Earth, Multani Mitti, 1 teaspoon honey. What you have to do: take a ripe papaya and cut it into small pieces. Add the Fuller's Earth and honey to it. Mix all of them to get a paste-like consistency. Apply it all over your face and neck. Keep it on for 20 minutes and then rinse with cool water. How often you should do this? Do this once every week. 7. Cucumber is cooling for the skin. It replenishes and rejuvenates dull skin with its antioxidants. 10. It also improves complexion and reduces swelling. You will need 1 small cucumber, 2 to 3 tablespoons yogurt. What you have to do: grate the cucumber and add the yogurt to it. Beat well. Apply it to your face and neck. Leave it on for 5 minutes until it dries and wash it off with cold water. How often you should do this: repeat this once in every 3 to 4 days. 8. Honey has soothing and humectant effects. It moisturizes your skin, retards wrinkle formation, and keeps it looking youthful. 11. You will need honey. What you have to do: apply honey evenly on clean and damp skin. Massage it for a few minutes and leave it on for another 5 minutes. Wash the honey off with lukewarm water. How often you should do this: you can do this every alternate day. 9. Ubtan is basically a face pack recipe for healthy and glowing skin that has been passed down through generations. 12. The coarseness of the lentils, rice, and oatmeal will remove dirt and dead cells from the skin. Turmeric can fade blemishes and give the skin a natural glow. 2. Almonds also nourish the skin with essential oils to keep it hydrated. You will need 1 cup split red lentils, masoor dal, or chickpea flour, besan, 1/4 cup raw rice, 8 to 9 almonds, 1/2 cup oatmeal, a pinch of turmeric water or rose water. What you have to do: grind the lentils, rice, and almonds together. Add the oatmeal and turmeric powder to the powdered mixture. Mix well and add enough water or rose water to make a smooth paste. Apply this paste evenly on the face and neck. You can also apply this pack all over the body. Let the pack dry. Wash with normal water. How often you should do this: use this ubtan once in 7 to 10 days. 10. Olive oil. Olive oil is an excellent moisturizer and imparts a natural shine to the skin. The flavonoids and polyphenols present in it protect the skin from free radicals and prevent damage. It repairs the skin and makes it healthy and glowing. 13. 14. You will need 1 tablespoon olive oil, a small, soft towel, warm water. What you have to do: take a few drops of olive oil on your fingertips and apply it all over the face and neck. Massage in upward circles for 2 to 3 minutes, especially on your cheeks, nose, and forehead. Dip the towel in warm water, wring out the excess water, and place it on the face for 30 to 40 seconds. Dip the towel again in the warm water and gently wipe away the oil with it. Pat your skin dry with a paper towel. How often you should do this: do this every night before going to bed. 11. Green tea. Green tea can protect your skin from UV rays, reduce inflammation, and prevent premature aging of the skin. 15. You will need 1 tablespoon green tea leaves, 1 cup water, 2 teaspoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cream.